I wanted to do more for my students and I wanted to better myself. So I wanted to pursue this degree because, one, it sounded like a challenge. Two, I can surround myself with more like-minded individuals, as well as I can improve my craft. The team, the teachers, your classmates, the energy, it's just so positive, and overall it's an amazing program that I'm so grateful to be a part of. And there's fun, there's excitement, there's research, and you better yourself as an educator, as someone that wants to get into education. And these classes aren't like the traditional classes that I've had before. And I have already seen a difference in it bettering me as not only an educator, but as well as a person.
I was able to tailor almost every single one of my assignments to my work and how I could better myself as a teacher, but also how I could better the understanding of my students into how I would work the curriculum for them. And so us being able to understand that and better understand our students and look at the data and have true data tracking, because it is so important to have that, and it's something that they really do set you up with. So in that, it did transition to my career because I knew that I was coming in prepared for my students, and it showed. At the end of the year, my assistant principal had come up to me and told me that my students went from some of the lowest scores to some of the highest learning gains in the county in the year that I was full-time at Stetson University. And I think that just shows in real life application of how the knowledge goes into use in your career.